Hello everyone, this is Saloni Jaiswal from IIPS TAVV. This video is an assignment video for open source project under the guidance of Dr. Shalagram Prajapat sir. My topic is payroll management system. Payroll management system project documentation report. Payroll management system project report deals with the financial components of an employee's salary, allowance, deductions, gross pay, net pay, and pay slip generation for a given type. The simplicity with which the payroll management system project can be implemented as one of its most appealing features with its complete proposal report on documentation. Payroll statement take care of everything related to paying employees and filing employment taxes. They are used to keep track of our work, calculating earning, withhold tax and other deduction, print and deliver checks, and pay government employee taxes. List of modules for payroll management system proposal. The payroll system modules manages an employee's financial records such as salary, bonuses, deductions, benefits, and costs, among other things. Payroll administration is one of the most important tasks that any organization undertakes, but it is also one of the most complicated and time-consuming. First, employee information management. These modules provide consultate database for application tracking, employee demographics, compensation and benefits option, time tracking, and more. It's also the central location for all of your personal data, including the most up-to-date statistic on your organization, hiring and retention patterns. Second is report monitoring. Its role is to accurately calculate compensation including overtime, withholding the appropriate amount of payroll taxes for each applicable payroll tax wages. Third is generate performance reports. It is useful for keeping track and securing the leave information of the employees. This can also assist in problem solving and avoid conflicts. Generating these reports will assist the admin in updating details regarding important payroll information. Fourth is salary monitoring. This module will help the admin to oversee the creation and distribution of paychecks or electronic bank transfer. It will also resolve the payroll inconsistency to bring the payroll account into balance. Fifth is deduction management. The deduction management will help the admin in managing all the deduction from the salary of their employees. This deduction were done payment for the employee benefits and taxes. Sixth is generates payroll reports. This module will automatically secure the system's payroll transaction for monitoring all of their activities. Next is important diagram for payroll management system project proposal and modules. Here are the essential diagram and modules for employee management system project proposal. First is payroll management system ER diagram. This payroll management system database design was made based on managing payroll requirements. This system can encode employees' information. Payroll admin can have access to the employee status and information in terms of working performance and salaries. They can handle the data needed in managing payrolls as well as the ranges of labors made by the employees. This feature included in the system ER diagram were the security and monitoring of the employees' work and leave records, job information and status. These features were also listed and recorded in report that serve as the history of transaction done in the system. This is a diagram payroll management system. And second is payroll management system use case diagram. This discusses the meaning of the payroll management system project UML as well as a use case diagram using include and extend. A use case diagram is a visual representation of how a user might interact with the program. A use case diagram depicts the system numerous use cases and different sorts of user. The circle or ellipse are used to depict the use cases. By creating the use case of the payroll management system, you must determine first the possible features to identify the flow of the system. After that, you can now create the blueprint or core of the system function. This is a payroll management system use case diagram. Third is payroll management system DFD level 0, 1 and 2. The data flow diagram DFD represents the flow of the data and the transformation in payroll management system. This transformation occurs as the data enters and exits the system. DFD lets you know the ideas on where does the data inputs goes and inputs come within the payroll management system. Considering the data flow levels, you can determine well the role of breaking the process into more specific manner. This is diagram. Next is Payroll Management System project in Python with source code. The Payroll Management System project in Python was developed using Python programming. This project was designed Using graphical user interface GUI, this project is easy to manipulate and understand by the user. Also, the system is good for the beginners or the student who want to learn Python programming. A payroll management system project in a Python code is a system used by companies to help manage the computation, disbursement and reporting of employees' salaries efficiently and accurately. A payroll management software helps streamline and centralize the salary payments of your organization. The software calculates salaries, tax deductions, incentives and bonuses, etc. by itself, sorts out the issue related to payments and deduction and records it digitally into its database. Thank you.